Transform your product's first impression from forgettable to phenomenal by mastering packaging design with Gemini Nano Banana. Let's dive in first. We'll establish your core brand identity, open Gemini Nano Banana, and envision your product's personality. Start by sketching out basic shapes and color palettes that align with your brand. Think bold for dynamism, or soft pastels for elegance. Color is king. Experiment with harmonious or contrasting color schemes. Gemini Nano Banana makes it incredibly intuitive to swap colors, find complementary shades, and ensure visual consistency. Next, introduce key visual elements. This is where your product truly comes to life, whether it's a simplified icon representing your product, a subtle background texture, or an illustrative motif. Place and resize these elements thoughtfully. Typography is crucial for readability and brand voice. Select fonts that echo your brand's personality. Use one font for your brand name for strong recognition, and a complementary, easy-to-read font for your product description or tagline. Now, let's focus on layout. Think about how your package will be viewed. A strong focal point draws the eye, while smart use of negative space prevents visual clutter. Arrange your logo, product visuals, and text for maximum impact and clear communication. Consider adding a compelling call to action or a small badge highlighting a key feature. Rethes can be the deciding factor on the shelf. Gemini Nano Banana helps you integrate these elements seamlessly. And there you have it. With Gemini Nano Banana, you've created a package that not only looks good but tells a story, making your product undeniably stand out in the competitive marketplace.